Are you looking for the best Laserjet print? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Laserjet print on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Canon PIXMA TS4320 Wireless All-in-One Printer. The Canon PIXMA TS4320 printer offers great value for home users and those working remotely, making it a budget-friendly choice for everyday printing tasks. You'll enjoy sharp and vibrant prints thanks to its efficient 2-cartridge hybrid ink system, which produces clear text and colorful photos. Setting up the printer is quick and straightforward, allowing you to connect your smartphone or computer and start printing, scanning, and copying right away. Plus, its reliable dual-band Wi-Fi keeps your device connected smoothly, so you can print from anywhere in your home or office without hassle. What we like: easy setup process, high print quality, wireless and mobile printing, affordable price, auto ink refill option. Number 2. HP Laserjet MFP M140W Printer. The HP Laserjet M140W is an ideal choice for small teams needing reliable printing, scanning, and copying of professional quality black and white documents. With its compact design, this printer fits seamlessly into your workspace. You can enjoy fast print speeds of up to 21 pages per minute, allowing you to complete tasks quickly. Its wireless functionality ensures that you stay connected, making it easy to print from any mobile device or computer. Plus, the ability to copy both sides of ID cards onto a single page adds convenience for everyday tasks. What we like: easy wireless setup, compact and lightweight design, fast printing speed, cost-effective for infrequent printing. Number 3. Brother MFC J1360DW Wireless Color Inkjet Printer. The Brother MFC J1360DW printer is designed to handle all your home and home office printing needs in one compact device. It lets you print, copy, and scan with ease, making your tasks more efficient. You can quickly access and print documents from popular cloud services like Google Drive and Dropbox right from its easy-to-use 1.8-inch color screen. This printer also helps boost your productivity with fast printing speeds and automatic 2-sided printing, saving you time and paper. Plus, it offers flexible connection options, so you can print wirelessly or through USB, fitting seamlessly into your workspace. What we like: easy wireless setup, clear print quality, fast scanning, good value for price, reliable printing. Number 4. Brother DCPL2640DW Printer. The Brother Compact Laser Printer is ideal for small businesses, offering a 3-in-1 functionality with a laser printer, scanner, and copier. It prints black and white documents at a fast speed of up to 36 ppm, while scanning efficiently at 23.6/7.9 IPM. The 50-page auto document feeder saves time during multi-page scanning and copying. With flexible connectivity options including wireless and Ethernet, you can easily adapt to your business needs. Additionally, the Brother Mobile Connect app enables wireless printing, scanning, and supply management from your mobile device, enhancing your on-the-go productivity. What we like: sharp print quality, reliable wireless connectivity, easy setup process, durable build quality, fast printing speed. Number 5. Canon PIXMA TR4720 All-in-One Wireless Printer. The Canon PIXMA TR4720 All-in-One Wireless Printer is a great choice for home use. It is compact, easy to set up, and produces quality documents and photos. The printer is easy to install and has a fast and easy-to-load front paper tray with a 100-sheet plain paper capacity. The downside is that you have to open the front panel, load paper, and pull out a tray each time you use the printer. It also has an LCD display with no backlight, so you need a flashlight to use it. Overall, it is a good value for the money. What we like: easy connectivity, good print quality, intuitive setup,